My dear students, good morning. Children, we are discussing lesson number 3 Karomi. In our previous session, we learned translation of this lesson. Now in today's session, you will learn glossary and its exercise. So come on page number 10, it's a glossary part. Come on the first one word, that is aham, means I. Gachami means am going. Children, in present continuous tense with go, we add ing, that you know in English. So with aham, that is with I, with going, we should add am according to the grammar. So here gachami means am going. Similarly karomi, do will change in doing, and with am, because karomi it is written with I, so it will become am doing. Similarly pathami means am reading. With all the verbs where ami is added, we will add am in the beginning. Kridami, am playing. Kridanganam, playground. Namami, am pouring. Gayami, am singing. Tarami, am swimming. Khadami, am eating. Likhami, am writing. Smarami, am remembering. Pashyami, am looking. Matul gruham means maternal uncle's house, means mama's home, mama's house. Matamaha means nana, mother's father. Now come on page number 11. Come on, it's exercise part. Question 1. Complete the sentences selecting the appropriate form of the verbs given in the brackets. Illustration, that is example is given aham pathami. Now children, here some incomplete sentences are given. Now using the verbs which given, the verbs are given in the brackets. So using this verb you have to complete the sentences. So first it is given aham and pat, this we are supposed to add. So I have already told you that aham means I, and in Sanskrit with I, with aham, with this verb we are supposed to add a plus me, that is we are supposed to add ami. Okay, so aham, you remove this halant and add pat ami, pathami, aham pathami, means I read or I am reading. The second one, sorry, the first one aham, then here gach is there, remove the halant and then add ami, so it will become gachami, aham gachami, I am going or I go. Again aham, remove this, add ami, likhami, aham likhami, aham, remove visarg, add ami, khadami, aham khadami, aham namami, aham kridami, aham, you can write through say tar, means tar you have to use and then you have to add ami, tarami. Similarly aham, use the second one, nrityami. So in all the sentences you are supposed to remove halant and supposed to add ami with the verb that is given in the bracket. Now come on question 2. Think and write. Illustration, Sureshah pathti aham pathami. Now children, here in this example either the name of boy or the name of girl is given. Okay, so with that, if suppose you take any verb, then you are supposed to add T letter. Like here, the boy's name is taken and the verb is taken pat. So you will, with the boy's name, it will become pathati. Even with the girl name, the verb will become the same, pathti. And you have already learned that with I, when it is with I or aham in English, then you have to add with pat, you have to add ami, that you have already learned in this previous exercise. So now here the sentences are given with the he or she, and you are supposed to change these verbs according to the sentence given in the form of I, that is aham. Okay, so Chetna namti. Now in place of namti, as it is aham, it is for I. So nam mami, namami. This you will add. You will remove ti and you will add ami. Okay. The second, Mohan kridati means Mohan is playing. So kridati remove, aham kridami. The next, Ayushi gayati. Ti remove, Ayushi, aham gayami. Gautamah tarti, for the boy. Tar, with that e is added, ti is added. So aham, you remove ti, add ami, aham tarami. Rupalah khadati. So this ti you have to add in the next sentence, aham khad ti remove, ami add. Similarly, Dhrumita pashyati, this for aham, this ti remove, aham pashyami. Usha likhti, so with aham this ti remove, likhami. Okay children, see again I will explain you in the brief that where in the verb ti is added here, then you have to remove this ti when you are transferring it for aham, and you are supposed to add ami. Okay children, I hope that these two exercises must be clear to you. Thank you children.